Hi guys, welcome to Kauai. You know, it always surprises me when I see spas and body treatment installations, when you can have all that in nature. This is pure absolute bliss, and it's not really that difficult to tap into that. Now we are about 2 days trek from the last spot, the last village on the what's the name of the trek? Kalalau trek here on Kauai. And there is so much bliss pouring in, it's just unbelievable. I mean, it's the sunshine, it's the waterfalls and the incredible nature. And I'm so incredibly grateful for this island of beauty, for the Pacific. It's an incredible, blissful experience to be on this planet, I believe. And if you don't have the opportunity to come this way or experience this kind of blissful, delightful life in a place like this one, I send you really tons of bliss. Hope your life is filled with beauty, inspiration, glorious, delightful power and love. This is my message to you from here. Take beautiful care. I'll be back soon with more delightful sharing. Love to you. Bye bye.
I think